How to remember the heart sounds in under 60 seconds. We're going to cover the 5 locations and landmarks to listen to heart sounds. The mnemonic to remember is a pet monkey. First we have A, which stands for the aortic area. This is located right of the sternum at the second intercostal space. Next we have P, which stands for the pulmonic area. This is located at the left sternal border, second intercostal space. Then you'll move down one intercostal space to E. This stands for Erb's point and is located at the left third intercostal space. You'll move down one more intercostal space to T. This stands for the tricuspid area and is located at the left sternal border, fourth intercostal space. Finally, we have M, which stands for the mitral area. This is located in the left fifth intercostal space, mid-clavicular line, and you can use the M for mitral to remember mid-clavicular. Remember, you can find all the study guides and flashcards linked in the bio. Share and save this for later. Like and follow for more medicine made easy.